Hi everybody, it's Al's with It's a Cake Bakery. Today I'll be showing you how to make a rich, buttery, homemade caramel chocolate. All you need is a half a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 tablespoons of butter, and a half a cup of melted chocolate. In a saucepan, I want you to go ahead and add in your granulated sugar on medium heat. Go ahead and continue to stir your sugar until it's all melted. Continue to stir. There we go. You will see that the sugar will lump up. That's just letting you know that the sugar is melting. And what you're looking for, guys, is a golden amber color. That's the color you want your sugar to be once it all melts. Continue to mix. There we go. We're getting golden, guys. Continue to mix. There we go. Make sure you're keeping your sides of your saucepan scraped as well. Continue to mix. There we go. There we go. And this recipe takes about 20 minutes, guys. I did speed the video up. There's that golden amber color. At this point, add in your butter. You will see that the butter will bubble. No worries, guys. Continue to mix until the butter is all melted. There we go. It smells so good in here. I wish you guys could smell it. There we go. Continue to mix. And remember to keep the sides of your saucepan scraped. And continue to mix. At this point, go ahead and add in your heavy cream. You're going to see steam. You're going to see bubbles. No worries. Continue to mix. There we go. Wow, that was a lot of steam. Go ahead and add in your salt at this point and continue to mix. There we go. Remove your pan from the stove and then add in your melted chocolate. And guys, you want to use a good chocolate. You want to make sure it's high quality, guys. If you don't have any chocolate, I do have a recipe on my channel that will show you also how to make homemade chocolate. Go ahead at this point and use a whisk, guys, and whisk away. There we go. This is a delicious homemade caramel chocolate, guys. This will be your go-to. You have to try it. If you don't try it, you're cheating yourself. You definitely want to try this recipe. Look at there, guys. Wow, it is so silky. Look at there, guys. And it is absolutely delicious. If you try it, it will be your go-to. Look at there, guys. In a few seconds, I will be showing you some things you can use it on. It's not just for cakes. Wow, it is so delicious, so buttery, so rich, so silky, guys. You gotta try it. Look at here, guys. If you take your favorite cake and just drizzle this caramel chocolate over it, you won't even need frosting. No frosting needed, guys. Just drizzle away. It is so delicious, guys. Let me know that you tried it, guys. I would appreciate that. You can use it for strawberries. Look at there, guys. Cookies, and a lot more. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you liked this particular video. I hope you tried. Please subscribe to my channel and please share my videos. I appreciate it, guys. All right, bye now until next time.